Just a quick announcement. Bye! Too bad. I thought we got rid of him. The Portrait Art Academy lessons and tutorials that I put together are kind of like a Patreon where you get access to content. You would be supporting me in my journey to continue to make art a nice video. But most of all, you will get something in return. What do they get? Hundreds of lessons about anatomy, portraits, art history, anime, perspective, art theory. Sounds amazing. It is. Sacre bleu! It is more than amazing! It is art! True art! Yeah, so if you're interested in learning more, you should definitely check that out. I'll leave a link at the bottom of this video. See how I'm like coloring all this in, and let's talk about what I'm doing again, you know? All these stories. Here we go. Yeah, this needs to be, yeah, it's kind of nice, you know? Yeah, a bit of a shadow over here maybe. And then I think the eye sockets are almost done. Now, here it's obviously really dark. Let's draw that a bit and then finish it up in the next video. But what I want here, because that's not really finished, is these cracks in it. So what's really nice is you got this dark area. Here's a little bit of a shadow. And then here is another really dark area in a certain shape. Kind of looks like a balloon on a string or something. Then here is this. And now I'm smudging it accidentally, so I gotta watch out for that. There's this crack here. There's like this white speck above it. Huh. Yeah, all these little things that you don't really know what they are. Like, there's just little cracks and details, and yeah, and just like, okay, just draw it as closely as possible. And that's something you can't do if you don't take your time for it, if you're on a time limit. So here's like all the like little specks. And then what would be nice is to draw like white around this, because that's really significant. Is this white line around it, or in between these areas. There's a little speck right there. And yes, I'm already doing the whites, so sue me. No, don't sue me. People sue each other for the craziest stuff. And yeah, look how nice that looks, huh? The white highlights are the magic. And here, I would say here it bulges a bit more like that. Yeah. And then here it is all, here we have all kinds of little specks. I think this whole area needs to be white, but anyway, we did the eye sockets. Let's do the shadows and the highlights of the whole thing. Let's do it.